Imagine a city that was divided by a wall and then rebuilt into the creative capital of Europe. This is Berlin. Germany's capital is home to nearly 3.7 million people, making it the largest city in the country. But Berlin doesn't feel like a typical European capital. It feels raw, experimental, unfinished, in the best possible way. Berlin has been destroyed and rebuilt multiple times. After World War II, the city was divided between East and West. In 1961, the Berlin Wall was built, splitting families, streets, and history in half. For 28 years, it stood as the most powerful symbol of the Cold War. Then, in 1989, it fell. The images of crowds climbing the wall changed Europe forever. Today, parts of it remain, especially at the East Side Gallery, where concrete once used for separation now displays murals about freedom. But Berlin's story isn't just about division, it's about power. The city is home to the Reichstag building, where Germany's parliament meets under a massive glass dome, a symbol of transparency after a century of dictatorship and division. Not far away stands the Brandenburg Gate, once trapped in the death zone between East and West, now the ultimate symbol of unity. Few cities carry this much political weight, and yet, modern Berlin feels creative, almost rebellious. It has more than 1,700 bridges, and around one-third of the city is covered in forests, lakes, and green spaces. Berlin is also Europe's startup hub, attracting founders, artists, and digital nomads from around the world. Culturally, it's unstoppable. Over 170 museums, including the world-famous Museum Island. Legendary nightlife. Clubs like Berghain are globally known for their intensity and mystery. Sometimes people wait hours just to see if they're allowed inside. But Berlin's real identity isn't glamour, it's resilience. Berlin is also a city of contrasts in architecture. Soviet-era apartment blocks stand just minutes away from ultra-modern glass towers at Potsdamer Platz. You can walk from Imperial Prussian buildings to brutalist structures built during the Cold War in less than 10 minutes. Few capitals display their history so openly in stone, steel, and concrete. A city bombed, divided, occupied, and still reinvented into one of Europe's most open and dynamic capitals. Berlin doesn't try to impress, it makes you think. If you enjoy exploring cities shaped by power, conflict, and reinvention, subscribe. The next city might surprise you.